राइट नाउ आई एम हेडेड टू मीट अ फॉलोअर। अभी फिलहाल उधर तोड़ फोड़ शुरू हो गई है। आई वुड वॉन्ट टू बी हर डॉटर इन एवरी जन्म।
Young lady. Oh, look, you're here too.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज अल्फिया। और प्लीज़ मेरे खुलियों को जज मत करो, मैं अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही उठी हूँ और मैंने सोचा कि व्लॉग कर लेते हैं। सो बेसिकली मेरी लाइफ काफ़ी ज़्यादा मोनोटोनस होती है ऑन मोस्ट डेज, इवन दो सबको ऐसा लगता है कि वो एज ए क्रिएटर यू गेट टू डू दिस, यू गेट टू डू यस ऑफ कोर्स, बट हमारी लाइफ भी मेजरली ना ऑन मोस्ट डेज सेम ही होती है कि भाई उठो, एडिटिंग करो, स्क्रिप्टिंग करो, ब्रांड्स को दो चीज़ें। एक तो ये कंस्ट्रक्शन की आवाज़ कभी ख़त्म, मतलब कंस्ट्रक्शन तो जैसे रुकेगा ही नहीं मुंबई में।
अंडरवर्ल्ड में जिक्र आया राह के नाम का।
तो मैं ये कह रही थी कि मेरे नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज ना थोड़े इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाले हैं, तो मैंने सोचा व्लॉग कर लेते हैं। मुझे भी मजा आएगा देखने में, मैं बूढ़ी हो जाऊंगी, मेरे बच्चे मेरे व्लॉग्स देखेंगे, दे विल ओह मॉम हैड अ ग्रेट लाइफ, शी वॉज हैविंग फन। बट ऑल्सो कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होता है तो आप लोगों को दिखाने का भी मन करता है। सो वो सब मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि अभी क्या क्या होने वाला है। सबसे पहले अपना हुलिया ठीक करती हूँ, तैयार वैयार होके आती हूँ, एक ट्रांजिशन कर लेती हूँ एंड देन आई लेट यू नो। I am ready and this is what I'm wearing. I am not wearing any makeup क्योंकि I'm actually आज जाने वाले हैं Amazon लाइव करने के लिए। I've done this before and I was so nervous then and this time I'm much more like at ease, but इस बार थोड़ा different होने वाला है क्योंकि सिर्फ मैं लाइव नहीं जाऊंगी on the Amazon app, there will also be another girl who's going to be with me and exciting होने वाला है बहुत। मुझे genuinely सारी चीज़ें बहुत पसंद है। I remember when I used to see these celebrities doing like lives on platforms like Flipkart, Amazon, में सोची थी यार मुझे भी करना है, even though मेरी बहुत फटती बट मुझे बहुत पसंद है लाइक न्यू थिंग्स, चैलेंजेस। अभी हम दोनों निकले बस पास से एक सामान लेने के लिए एंड देन वील गो बैक होम, पिक अप माई मॉम, शी ऑल्सो वांट्स टू गो समवेयर नियर बाय, तो वील ड्रॉप हर ऑन द वे। ये है मेरी स्क्रिप्ट फॉर टुडे। इट्स अ रियली वास्ट स्क्रिप्ट एंड बिफोर एवरी लाइफ थोड़ा बहुत इसको याद करना पड़ता है। मुझे ऐसे बैक टू कॉलेज वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है बिकॉज कुछ चीज़ें एक्चुअली मगअप करनी पड़ती है, बट आई विल शो यू कि एग्जैक्टली कैसा होता है क्योंकि सेटअप इज़ वेरी लाइक फैंसी, सो मेनी कैमराज, टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर होता है जहाँ पे मैं बैठी रहती हूँ। वो सेटअप कैसा होता है मैं आपको वो सब दिखाने वाली हूँ कि यूजुअली अगर आप जो लाइव देखते हो उसका शूट कैसे होता है, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक आई गेट वेरी फैसिनेटेड अबाउट दीज थिंग्स। तो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो सो yeah, let's go. My mom is also packing our tiffins. आज है shawarma and for some reason this lady just, I mean she's different bro, like this is what our tiffin looks like. Can you imagine? हमारे में जन्म नहीं होते, but if I had one I would want to be her daughter in every जन्म क्योंकि ये खाना मिलता है हमें रोज। She's made shawarma for us ताकि हम शूट पे एरा गैरा कुछ ना खाए और अच्छी चीज घर की खाए। What would you like to say?
मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे बच्चे हेल्दी रहें, सेफ खाएं और खुश रहें, अच्छे से काम करें।
We have left. Also dropping my mom on the way. कहाँ जाना है मम्मी आपको, मार्केट या बैंक?
मार्केट।
मस्त था। अभी आपको लिफ्ट मिल जाती है जाते जाते, कैसा लगता है आपको?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा। थैंक यू। अब पूरा एफर्ट आपको डालती है, मम्मी चलो मम्मी चलो।
Yeah, it just feels still unreal that we drive to places in our car. Alhamdulillah. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
A few moments later.
We have reached the location and here we have Mureen, who's the main girl behind all of these projects. We also have Myra, she's from the script or the content writing team I guess. बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे भाई, too many camera people, full blown, बहुत सारे, and also my host and दोस्त Rushika.
I did not.
Sorry, I caught you off guard. But she is prepping for the live एकदम full dedication से.
Like making sure I know the product, the color, and like
Yeah.
I haven't tried it. These are brand new.
Yeah, I know that we'll have to like leave for the main moment only. Excited?
Very.
Let's bond, Ruchika. This is camera 1, this is teleprompter 1, camera 2, teleprompter 2. This basically is the set, all the products. कुछ प्रोडक्ट जो यूज़ नहीं होते हैं ना, उनको ऐसे टेप लगा देते हैं ताकि दे डोंट मूव इन द लाइव, इसीलिए वो ऐसे परफेक्टली सेट होते हैं. These are our chairs. This is what the background looks like. हमारे mics. Is genuinely winning here in the comments. Come on, drop them right now. Okay, and then we read the comments. हाँ, ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद. Okay, so आज हम जिस brand की बात करने वाले हैं, you guys.
Probably get super hectic, huh?
Lunch time at 6 while we finalize the final prompts that will be displayed on the teleprompter with Myra. You have freckles? So nice. So beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, she is giving us 3 actions that we need to keep in mind when we are live.
Yeah, this is means
Time खत्म करो.
खत्म करो. Okay, this means जल्दी जल्दी
जल्दी खत्म करो.
जल्दी
खत्म करो जल्दी खत्म करो.
and then audience का ना like you have to check the comments and all ना, just I will do this. Check that.
Nice. Understood. Sign language check. So what exactly is something that you tell yourself before you go live or before you're on like, rolling?
It's super awesome. Always be awesome. We are on fire, baby. We are fire.
That is our affirmation before we go live. 10 minutes and we will start rolling. Even I'm just telling myself I need to give my best. I need to really.
Already are your best. नमस्ते एंड हेलो ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है Amazon Live की इस अमेजिंग ब्यूटी पार्टी में. I'm सबकी ब्यूटी मिक्सोलॉजिस्ट. सो ज्यादा टाइम करंटली अगर हम बात करें उसके बारे में,
I feel like L'Oreal के सारे products बहुत अच्छे, but currently I've been kind of obsessed with the Panorama mascara. This is like one of their latest launches. We bought it like it's just fab. And now that we've talked about the iconic L'Oreal, let's move on to our next brand, which is Hero. अब मैं इस brand की क्या बात करूँ भाई, ये तो ऐसा लगता है कि it's literally loved by everyone. It's a brand that is made purely out of love. ये लोग इतना they're clean conscious,
exactly, cruelty free. And जितने भी हम लोग as a person इतना सोचते हैं मेकअप उठाने से पहले या लगाने से पहले कि पता नहीं चलता, starts bleeding out and then I start looking like a clown, which is something I didn't want to look in the first place. But चलो ठीक है. Now that you've told me, I'm going to remember that. Okay, so this is one product that you absolutely love and adore. इसके अलावा फिर talking about L'Oreal, personally मुझे ऐसा लगता है when we're talking about something which is a lip product, that is cinnamon in my hand and you have nutmeg in yours.
This is nutmeg. I'm gonna quickly do a lip liner with a liquid lipstick.
Oh, that is so smart and intelligent way. This is that versatile product you should go for. This is again a bunch of lipsticks put together. Bro, what happened?
You know we changed the whole.
What happened? What is happening between the lines? इधर क्या हुआ? ये तो I completely forgot about that. कोई देखने में आया, कुछ टूटा, लाइन भी गई, फिर आ गई. टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर में क्या कर रही है तुम? No idea. No idea.
Oh God!
She was not able to see, so we changed the whole software.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah,
could not
you know
see
that
anything.
it was on the PPT, it was all set. Then she said she can't see, so last 5 minutes we changed the whole software. So that's what
मैं सोच रही हूँ अब क्या फाइनल कर रहे हैं हम लोग को बात करनी है. भाई इधर 2 बार कोई रेंगते हुए आया.
एक बार उड़ गई, एक बार जुड़ गई और हम चलते रहे because
I was like मैं सोच रही हूँ ना करना है कि नहीं कंटिन्यू, मतलब कट करना है लाइव करना है. बीच में तेरी आवाज चली गई थी इसके लिए वो हुआ था.
that I didn't know.
Exactly. So they were telling me to take the mic, but it was ऊपर ही था ना, फिर भी क्यों नहीं आवाज आ रही थी?
The thing was, we wanted to tell you that the sound was flaky, but you were talking, so we were not able to. We were trying to fix it. To fix it, we had to change the teleprompting last minute. That's the reason the whole screw up happened.
पैकेजिंग, ओ पैकेजिंग गोल्ड है
बोल दिया था हम लोगों ने, तुमने फिर से कि पैकेजिंग कर दी थी।
बिकॉज हमें क्यों मिला कि पैकेजिंग बोलना है?
Spoke about it.
and I
Luxury से
also
gold है।
said that
नहीं,
the gold
the-
of the mascara is matching with the jewelry. I was
But
like,
you all
"Wow."
like flawlessly took the teleprompter. तो पागल हो रहा था, but you all
I
did
swear
it.
on the everything is going wrong.
Teleprompter is like
इधर
forget that.
लाइव के 5 घंटे पहले आया था कि we prep well and what could go wrong? The teleprompter and the mic. Live is done. It was a beautiful experience. Even though बहुत सारी चीज़ें खराब हुई, but मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. And I want to do more of this, to be honest. Ending the day with a cup of chai. It's just the perfect end. Hi guys, welcome back. It is a new day and हम अटके हुए हैं घमासान ट्रैफिक में. मुझे ऐसे क्यों फीलिंग आ रही है कि आज ऑरेंज या रेड अलर्ट है, क्योंकि बारिश इतनी ज़्यादा हो रही है, हमारा ETA बढ़ते ही जा रहा है. Today I have gotten ready for something special. I am going all the way to shoot a podcast with Anam and Shalini. Anam के podcast के लिए actually the real deal with Anam C. And I think we're going to talk about content creation journey, etc. I'm actually meeting Anam after a really long time, and the fact that I'm meeting her after she's become a mother, it's a little special. तो मैं बहुत excited हूँ उसको मिलने के लिए. And we are about like 40 minutes away. I did my makeup in the car because I had so much free time. And generally these days I feel like I've been living in my car. सब सामान मेकअप वेकअप में इधर रखती हूँ और मेरे को रास्ते में इतना बोर होता है because you can't like use phone also. I have motion sickness. तो मेकअप करने में मज़ा आता है. I am just finishing my lip with Marucha. This is such an amazing product. I love it. As a lip liner, I love it. So yeah, that's the agenda. We also have other plans in the next half, which I will tell you about very soon. और ये मतलब proper waterfall वाली feeling आ रही है आज मुंबई में. हर 2 मिनट में छपाक छपाक छपाक. Okay. I am ready. I will see you once I reach to the podcast studio.
A few moments later.
Hi, mommy.
How are you?
I'm meeting you after so long.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, you.
Why are you bringing me things?
Because you just became a mommy and I'm seeing you after so long, so I thought of course.
Thank you.
You look so nice.
Thank you. I just got ready 5 minutes ago. I love the timing.
Hi, hi, everyone. I thought it's going to be like a homely thing.
It's a homely thing.
For some reason, I was just दिमाग में कि आनंद के घर जाना है.
नहीं. I'm shy. Has she ever said that in her life?
She did when she was young, I think.
पूरा मैं थोड़ी सी वो हो जाती हूँ, but अरे you really have confidence in.
I do. I really do.
1 hour later.
Shalini,
It's not on my outfit.
I don't think I've seen you in like a top like this, so it's very
Yeah,
different. Like
yeah.
I've always
Bright
seen you in
colours.
shorts.
Yeah.
White shirts and trousers.
This is my vibes.
And I started getting calls and messages, and I'm like, bro, like, why is it every time I was late?
Which is also bizarre. Like that.
That's bad, Pia.
Yeah, exactly.
3 hours later.
Okay, so it is later in the day today. कितना बज रहा है? Let me just quickly check. 9:46, and right now I am headed to meet a follower. So Simran basically lives in Hyderabad and she came to Mumbai just to have a vacation on उसका last day है, and she kind of messaged me if we can meet, and I was like sure. We did have plans of meeting earlier in the day but हमारी timings match नहीं हो पाए and she had to go back. तो मैं all the way 1.5 घंटा travel करके I'm going to meet her. I was like आज उनका last day है, so I really want to. आ गई हूँ मैं fort में. We're gonna meet for a brief time. I also picked up some flowers for her last minute, which I was actually hoping to get, but अभी हम signal पे थे and we got someone selling these, so perfect timing, alhamdulillah. And I'm gonna meet her for some time and then we'll call it a day.
A few moments later.
See this. God stood on a date.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे। ए हीरो आ, ए ओए आ।
Oh God! Obviously, I need to get up and touch. मैं बहुत थकी हालत में हूँ, फिर भी I look very like tired. See? Just got back home and it was such a cute experience. I actually thought that I was kind of scammed because I was waiting at the cafe for really long and I'm like, I don't know if it's for real, but yeah, eventually she showed up and it was so cute. I also just read the letter she gave me and my heart is full. I don't think I say it enough, but you guys are my biggest blessing. I've prayed for moments like this, so y'all are like my biggest treasure and I can't express what y'all mean to me, and all of these just add so much more depth in my life. I just want to keep everything so close to my heart. This is going in my tijori, the one that I have kept all of the things that my followers have given me. एक मैंने ऐसे डब्बा बनाया है तो उसको मैं तिजोरी बोलती हूँ अपनी. So yeah, like she got something for my mom, dad, उनको मैंने अभी वो चीज़ दी and it was so cute. Like who even does that? So yeah, that's pretty much a very wholesome end to the day. I love you guys. It's a new day. I have actually woken up very tired. मुझे ऐसे मन कर रहा है आज मैं पूरे दिन बस सोती रहूँ. Thankfully today is a non-glam day and that means we don't have anything to shoot. आज का दिन relatively थोड़ा सा boring होने वाला है doing other important things. So if you guys are aware that I am redoing my previous studio, we are renovating it. एंड अभी फ़िलहाल उधर तोड़ फोड़ शुरू हो गई है. ऑलमोस्ट 2 महीने के बाद फाइनली अभी काम शुरू हुआ है बिकॉज वी वर काइंड ऑफ जस्ट फाइनलाइजिंग द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, परमिशंस लेनी थी, बहुत सब कुछ. तो अभी बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह फाइनली काम शुरू हुआ है. अभी वो घर फुल ऑन तोड़म ताड़ी, मिट्टी मिट्टा सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग इज़ हैपनिंग. ऑन द अदर हैंड that means that we need to also start selecting materials. So with my interior designers I will be going to select the flooring tile. It's genuinely such a weird feeling because imagine कि आपके स्पेस में, आपके घर में आपके पसंद का सब कुछ लगने वाला है, छोटे से नल से लेके बड़ी सी फ्लोरिंग, एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट इज़ सच अ वियर्ड फीलिंग. एंड मटेरियल सिलेक्शन मेरे को जेन्युइनली थोड़ा सा टैक्सिंग लगता है बिकॉज देयर आर लाइक सो मेनी ऑप्शन, यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू चूज, बट इट्स ऑल्सो सो सैटिस्फाइंग कि भाई सब कुछ मेरे पसंद का. ओ माई गॉड. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम कि लाइफ में मेरे पसंद की चीज़ें मेरे घर में लगने वाली है. ऑब्वियसली इट्स ऑलवेज बीन पेरेंट्स हु डिसाइड जब तक आप उनके घर में रहते हो बिकॉज उनका घर है. सो या अब तो मौज है अपनी.
खाओ माँ कसम.
So we have to go do that, and then later in the day I also have people coming in my new studio to do some paneling work. ये studio को भी we have to make sure that it's a little aesthetic shoot wise. So थोड़ा बहुत उधर भी काम है. Let's start the day.
A few moments later.
Meet my interior designer crew. One person is missing, but they are basically the founders of. Oh my God! There was a cat. They are the founders of Threefold Design. They are like 3 friends, sisters, basically sisters only, who started this interior designing agency. And finally, I think 7-8 लेआउट्स के बाद हम लोग का एक फाइनल लेआउट हुआ है. या अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, बिकॉज पहले हमने लेआउट बना दिया था एंड देन कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने बताया कि ये नहीं तोड़ सकते, यहाँ पे कॉलम है, ये नहीं तोड़ सकते, यहाँ पे बीम है, तो पहले प्लीज़ वो करो बिकॉज अदरवाइज मेहनत तेज हो जाती है. अब फाइनली लेआउट इज इन प्लेस. ओह माय गॉड, कुछ ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली है कैट.
बोलते बिल्ली बीच में आ गई.
या वेर इज शी इज गेटिंग टू फ्रेंडली. सो अभी फिलहाल हम आए हैं ग्रेनाइट सिलेक्ट करने एंड देन
For our kitchen counter and for the door frames and the
या दैट इज लाइक
that's your dupatta.
oh my god. And then we'll go ahead and select tiles, so let's go.
रेसिडेंशियल की ऐसे टेंशन है. घर का ही है. ये तीनों अपनी बेटी है, बेटी है, वो 2 आर्किटेक्ट में.
The चरमी ब्राउन ये भी मुझे बहुत ऐसे ओल्ड वाइब्स दे रहा है, बट ठीक है.
फ्रेमिंग जो बनेगा तो अच्छा ही लगेगा.
This is what we are going for. Went from black to straight up this. This is too much.
ज़्यादा वेन्स चाहिए ही नहीं, मैक्सिमम प्लेन चाहिए. बहुत स्लाइड
Marble look हमको नहीं चाहिए,
स्टोन लुक में ही जाना है.
और वाइट में ही जाना है ज्यादा. The second one is what? Grey or? No, it has grey tones.
ये और ऊपर वाला सेम है क्या?
दोनों सेम है.
सेम है, अलग क्यों दिख रहा है?
लाइट इसके ऊपर
डार्क है ना.
EVON.
उसको लिखना पड़ेगा, उनको बोलना पड़ेगा. हाँ, लिख के दे दो. इसमें लुक अच्छा लग रहा है ना. वेन भी करना अच्छा लग रहा है.
Do we like this or do we like the other one?
नहीं ये वन,
Okay, the other one we select.
क्योंकि ये ज्यादा उससे अच्छा लग रहा है, ज्यादा ब्राइट है.
हाँ, like this will be a little more.
अभी ये जो व्हाइट लेंगे ना, तो बाथरूम में अगर वो कलर लेंगे ना, जो बोल रही थी तुम वहाँ देखी, तो मच जाएगा. वो ले लेंगे ना, सेम हो जाएगा देखा जाए तो.
Yeah.
अभी ये थोड़ा कॉन्ट्रास्ट हो जाएगा, फ्लोरिंग अलग हो जाएगा, बाथरूम अलग हो जाएगा.
ये वाला जो टाइल है वो वाले उधर.
और ये मेरे लाइफ का सबसे महंगा प्रिंट आउट है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. 700 रुपये दिए इसके. आई जस्ट होप इट फिट्स. एंड इफ यू गाइज आस्क, आई गॉट द फ्रेम मेड फ्रॉम लाइक अ लोकल वेंडर, और ये मुझे कुछ 3200 का पड़ा है. इफ यू आर अ मुस्लिम, यू नो दैट वी डोंट रियली पुट लाइक आवर इमेजेस, आवर फोटोज इन द हाउस. हमारे पास एक्चुअली ऑप्शन नहीं है कि हम क्या रखें इधर. एंड गलती से हमने कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा फ्रेम ले लिया है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ दिस गोज एंड हाउ दिस लुक्स. This easily has become my most favorite corner in this studio. It's time for gym and genuinely जब से मैं ये नई स्टूडियो में शिफ्ट हुई हूँ I have been so motivated and excited to hit the gym क्योंकि obviously gym नया है, सब कुछ नए है, like the equipments, the people, and it's just like a nice change that I have been enjoying and using as a motivation. So I'm just having my green tea and I'll have a protein bar right before I hit a chest, shoulder, tricep workout. And it's actually my first day of the week that I'm working out. यहाँ पे मेरे जो नया स्टूडियो है वहाँ पे क्लब हाउस बंद रहता है मंडेज़ को, which is so weird. Like Mondays को you're motivated but Sundays को खुला रहता है. So I have actually been spending my weekend also just working out, swimming. I actually want to learn how to swim because vacations पे it just gets easier to do activities like snorkeling and stuff. That's also on my agenda. But swimming तो छोड़ो, मैंने तो ड्राइविंग भी नहीं सीखी है, which I should start ASAP. मैं भी सीरियस हो चुकी हूँ उस चीज़ को लेके. Basically there was an instructor who was going to come and teach me drive, but he's just not able to manage his time and stuff like that. तो उसके बाद हमने और कोशिश ही नहीं की किसी और को पूछने की, but अब हम पूछेंगे because I'm really feeling like I should start learning now. It's too embarrassing to like constantly depend on my sister to take me to places. More than that, मेरे vision board पे है ये साल के that I want to learn how to drive. So that's that. Let's finish this and work out. I got back home and I quickly changed. Now I'm rushing home. सब सामान डब्बा वब्बा लेके. It is actually my tuition teacher's birthday. I think you guys have seen her before in my vlogs as well. She's the one I grew up with and I'm very close to her. She's really special, not just a teacher but like my mentor, a friend and so much more. We're all a group. We take trips together. We're all like sharing milestones together. आज उनका birthday है. So we're just getting a cake for her. Like all of her students, me and my sister, her friends, we're all her students. तो सब जाएंगे, केक कटिंग करेंगे and then I think we have movie plans but I'll let you know.
इसको कुछ एक हफ्ता दो हफ्ता पड़ा था सब 3 देखता
कलेश मैं कलेश
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear ma'am. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May good luck go with you. And happiness too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cake cut. Happy birthday to you. What is this?
मैजिक कैंडल दे वो.
Oh my god. I kind of ended the vlog but today I am back here because I kind of feel today is going to be vlog worthy. It's a new day and I woke up smelling something suspicious and even though I have kind of been noticing something fishy the past 2-3 days, I was like I am just being Delulu, but today I think मेरा शक confirm हो गया that my sister and my friends are up to something. So my content creation journey just completed a decade. 10 years ago I posted my first vlog, and I feel like they are doing something for me, and they are not aware that I have clues. But yeah, let's see what today unfolds. I am excited because I was kind of disappointed. मेरे friends ने मुझे wish तक नहीं किया था, but weekend आ गया है. I think because अब वो लोग free है तो वो लोग कुछ तो कर रहे हैं. मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही खुश हूँ. I am asked to wait at my lobby and not come in my studio, so that just proves that something's up. Like I guess my friends threw me a surprise party and I couldn't keep the audio because यहाँ पे music था, but I was cribbing. Why didn't they tell me? Because I'm dressed in casuals, and the details kept shocking me. I mean, after a moment I realized that they were also dressed like me, and I just couldn't control it. Oh my god, it was so special. I had so many emotions right here. I wish I could keep the original audio, but copyright issues, never mind. It was just so beautiful. लाइव का ये बट विश नहीं कर रहे हैं. like bro, what is happening? A memory lane, and you guys, these pictures, they are so cringe. This is from our college days. When I hit 10K, मैं अपने college जाके पढ़ाई नहीं करती थी, shoot करती थी. Friendships Day. Oh my god. PFW. We have PC, Katrina. This is so cute. This was actually my first event as a judge called to a college, and I was literally, I think, 19 years. Danovia has dressed, and her look is exactly how we were kind of taking a picture when we hit 100 subscribers, and it is so cute. It's like spot on. Stuff is Avni from my team. She's dressed up exactly like this look right here. Bhai Sahab, what a recreation. Michelle, she's featuring my Paris Fashion Week look. Oh my god, stunning. I think no points for guessing which look this is. यार कितना cute लग रहा है. This is my first Goa trips outfit. Anmol's recreated it. क्या सही लग रही है यार. Really we have शांतनु. एकदम फैशन गेम ऑन पॉइंट हो चुका है, एंड ही हैज स्पेसिफिकली बॉट दिस फॉर द पार्टी. दैट इज सो क्यूट. थैंक यू.
Sandal var
Sephora shopping post the party.
Yes. It's reward time now.
What's your preference, ma'am? Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can you help me?
Which color are you looking for?
I need a blush. for my
But which color? Do you want in pinks or do you want in coral? Peachy. Okay. Let me help you.
Yes, please.
This one.
Oh my god.
Do you want? Can I help you?
I will take everything. Everything that is in the cup.
मैंने बोला था तुम लोगों कि आओ गाइस मेकअप शॉपिंग.
I could come here and take it.
And that's it for this vlog, and I'm just gonna end it by saying thank you. We complete 10 years and you guys have let me do what I love. I wake up every day and I feel so grateful, alhamdulillah, to be able to literally work and show up and constantly create content. That's something that I absolutely love with all of my heart. This vlog had literally everything from what's been up in my life with respect to like the renovation work. We are finally doing my old house, to you guys seeing some really crazy BTS of what Amazon lives or what shoots look like, and also some parts where the people in my life that I'm so grateful for, they do go an extra mile just to make my milestones a little more special. So grateful for everyone in my life, including you guys. So I mean, I'm just like, my heart is full. That's it for this vlog. I love you guys so much. And I hope you all are enjoying the birthday series so far. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.